Hi besties, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a little bit of review on the Lausaint Home 3-piece rocking bistro set. Outdoor patio furniture with some thick cushions. There's a 2-tier coffee table. It's an oversized rattan conversation set for the garden, balcony, or backyard. And as you can see here, my handy helper is helping me with this. It was very, very easy to put together. I think I actually could have done this myself. It's got a 300-pound load-bearing design. It is a rocking bistro wicker set equipped with front and rear foot pads to maintain balance. The bistro set is also made of sturdy metal and rattan material with a hollow design that is powder coated with the and rust resistant. The patio wicker rocking chair set can withstand rain, sun exposure, and wind effortlessly. The Lausaint Home patio furniture set features a 3.3-inch upgraded ultra-thick cushion covered in comfortable and fade-resistant polyester fabric. What's more is these cushions are thicker than those of other products. I really enjoyed the way it looks on my deck. I think it's a really pretty design. The cushions are very nice. I like the look of the black with the rattan, and of course I have my deck painted black, so it matched perfectly. These are available on Amazon, so I'll make sure to leave a link below for you guys to check it out on Amazon. This is the color beige, and here I have it open with my umbrella outside. I think it looks really, really good, and I want to thank Lausaint Home for sending me this to show everybody. I think it's a beautiful set. It was super easy to put together. I think it's going to look really, really cute outside this fall on the deck. I'd like to put a little fireplace outside to make some s'mores. Overall, it's beautiful design. I highly recommend it. The seats even are like a wider seat cushions so that you don't have to worry about not having enough room in the seating area or anything like that. It's really overall a beautiful set. I like the way it looks on my deck. Again, very pretty, very easy to put together, and I really, really am enjoying it. Thanks for watching.